Nintendo Labo Variety Kit. Right out of the box, Nintendo Labo offers many cardboard sheets and the game software. With these sheets, you can make your own cardboard toy controllers. ToyCon creations come in a variety of shapes with different activities to enjoy. So, without further ado, let's get our hands on the 5 different ToyCon projects you can make with the Variety Kit. First up, the ToyCon RC car. Touch the screen to steer it however you like. The secret lies in the HD rumble technology. When the legs reverberate, the car can turn left or right. Open this up and you can see all the hidden functionalities packed in there. This footage shows you what the ToyCon RC car sees. There's actually a little camera hiding right here. It allows the RC car to steer itself by recognizing visual markers. And it can even see in the dark. If you have 2 sets of Joy-Con controllers, you can battle a friend. Oh yeah, you may have noticed some bonus parts. The kit includes a bunch of these things. Next up, the ToyCon fishing rod. And the ocean, of course. When you extend the rod and spin the reel, the hook will slowly descend. If you tilt the rod, your movement will be reflected on the screen. Is that a bite? Quick! When you feel a vibration, pull back. Then carefully reel in the goods. Nice catch. The ocean is home to many fish of various shapes and sizes. From the shallows to the darkest depths, the fish you can catch will vary. Huh? The big fish ate the little fish. After fishing, view your catches using the ToyCon Piano in aquarium mode. Somehow, you can even create your own fish. Now, let's check out the ToyCon House. Apparently, a mysterious creature has moved in. Tilt the ToyCon House, or shake things up, and watch what happens inside. Grab hold of these blocks and stick them through the windows to make an impact. The button block. Huh, it's nighttime now. The crank block. Aw, it went to sleep. The key block. Hey, the room's flooding. The cable block. What's this? They're connected? If you change windows, the effect will change too. And if you combine different blocks, the room changes. The ToyCon House is full of mysterious mechanisms. Racing along, it's the ToyCon motorbike. Squeeze the handle, rev up the engine, and twist the accelerator to drive. Lean into curves and steer just like a real bike. Drift into a dash, or even pop a wheelie. Once you've got the hang of it, challenge the Grand Prix. Leave your rivals in the dust as you aim for victory on the circuits. If you use the ToyCon scanner, the terrain will rise in the shape of the scanned object. So get creative with your very own stadium. And if you draw paths in the air with this ToyCon Minibike, an original circuit will be created in that exact shape. Choose road width, slope, time of day, weather, and where to place dash items. All of these options can be customized whenever you want. Get ready for some white-knuckle races on your very own circuits. Finally, let's play some ToyCon Piano. Press a key and a note will chime. Gently rock it while you play a sound for a little vibrato. Insert a knob to hear cats? Choir? Grandpa's? Your sound, your call. Acoustic mode plays sounds using the Joy-Con controller's vibrations. Who knew an empty box can make music? Speaking of, let's check out the recording studio. Here you can adjust the envelope, reverb, octave, and more to modify the sound. You can even cut your own waveforms to make your own sounds. If you make a rhythm with a rhythm card, the piano will play itself. If you play melodies one after another, you can make your own original songs. Conduct your own song with the baton. The Variety Kit. 5 different ToyCon projects. Make, play, discover. Nintendo Labo.